Hi, James with SuperBrightLEDs.com to talk about our RGB color changing tunable white LED strips. These strips feature a full RGB color functionality, allowing you to choose from a wide assortment of color combinations. They are fully dimmable and feature separate tunable white chips that allow you to adjust the white from 3000 to 6000 Kelvin. The added white chips give an unprecedented amount of color control, allowing for a nearly endless choice of hues, all while eliminating hot spots and giving even illumination. Running on 24 volts with an impressive 152 lumens per foot, these bright strips are designed to last 30,000 hours and are perfect for a wide range of applications, from under cabinet lighting in homes and businesses to store displays and more. For more information on this product, please visit our website at SuperBrightLEDs.com. LED lighting for everything.